Today's video is going to be of Lowther Pavilion, or Lowther Pavilion Gardens and Theatre. So this is the Lowther Gardens in Lytham in Lancashire. It's also Lytham Pavilion, which puts on certain events, and just about a quarter of a mile walk down there to Lytham Centre. And this is a bronze statue of Bobby Ball, who lived in Lytham. He was part of the double act Cannon and Ball in the 70s and 80s, and also later starred in the series Not Going Out. And this is the Lowther Pavilion. This is the entrance to the Lowther Pavilion. And this little statue is a nod to the history of the town of Lytham, with the shrimpers and lots of big fish in here as well. Some small ones here.
He's got it, isn't it?
They also have a scheme in here where you can adopt a tree, so you can pay to put a plaque there with your name on it.